Oh, you jumped in, Louise, and the ball's already out. Thelma, Louise is swimming. You gonna go swimming? Now what are you gonna do, Snoop? It's a serious situation. She's got you. Unless you want to get in there, you're not getting the ball. What are you going to do, Louise? She's got you, Snoop. Now what are you going to do? You going to come out, Louise? You going to get out, or you just going to stay there and make him wait for you? Louise, what are you doing? Come on, Louise. Come on. Come on, little baby. Louise, come on. You're making Snoop crazy. You got his... Oh. You just let him have it just like that? What are you going to do, Louise? You just going to sit in there? Splish splash, having a bath?